Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare Bangalore special Nippattu Masala Chaat at home. In a plate, arrange Nippattu, apply some green chutney. For recipe, check out the description box. I have given a link over there. Add some tomatoes, few onions, curd, grated carrots, coriander leaves, sweet tamarind chutney. Check the description box for the recipe. And some murmura, save, add some more curd and sweet chutney, and our Bangalore special Nipattu Masala is ready. Try this wonderful recipe at home. It tastes awesome and you can make it just within 5 minutes. And friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.